After 5 minutes, I open and this is how it looks. So I will just give it a little bit of stir, then add in my melted butter. After adding the melted butter, the next ingredient I will be adding is egg. So here I have 1 piece of egg. So I will just turn it over, then give it a stir. I will stir both of them together until they get combined. Now it's time to prepare the dough. Over here I have my all-purpose flour. So before making use of it, I have to stream it. Then I'm adding it inside my streamer. Just add a little bit of it because I'll be doing this for good 2 times. So this process is still very important. So you have to have a smooth bread and fluffy bread. So you have to give your flour a good stir. So you have to stir your flour, filter your flour before making use of it. So it's very important. So after doing that, this is how it looks. So now I will add in my sugar. So here is the remaining sugar. I will turn it over, then still give it a stir. Next ingredient to add is salt. So we always need salt to taste. So I will just add a little bit of it. Next I will be adding is powder milk. So here I have powder milk. So I will just turn everything over, and now everything is ready and it's ready to stir. So this time it's time for me to give it a good stir. I have to stir, and after stirring, this is how it looks. Now it's time for me to add in the mixture. So I will just add the liquid ingredient inside the dry ingredient, then give it a good mix. This process is very important. So at this point you have to mix this dough because you don't want to see any storm inside the dough. So you have to make sure that this dough is well mixed and well fluffy. So at this point the dough is soft, but you don't need to be afraid of it. So this is what you really need. All you have to do is to give it a good mix. Now I will be mixing this dough about 10 minutes before leaving it to do another thing. So I have to give this a very good mix until the dough is well combined. Now I'm done mixing the dough, and this is how it looks after mixing. So here I have my plastic wrap. So I will cover this dough with this plastic wrap, and this will be staying. Do it like keeping it in the floor, then go through that way. But this one is, I think it's more easy, guys. This one it does not give me any stress. So I'll just cut in a little bit, use my hand to tighten it in in a ball shape, so I have to make sure that this is tight. So I will just keep on this process, my people. Just like this, everything will be ready. So that is it. After doing that, this is how it looks. So now I will cover with my kitchen towel. I will cover this to rest for 5 to 6 minutes. You can as well leave it for 10 minutes if you care, until the dough still double its size. So now it's 5 minutes already. I come back to check on it. You can see the difference is there. The dough has double its size again, and this is how it looks. So now I will be rubbing the dough with the remaining butter, and we use it to rub all over the body of the dough before baking. At this point, you can also make use of raw egg, so all of it is useful. Some people still make use of milk, so it depends the one you want to make use of. So this will help the bread to get a golden brown color. So if you really want to see golden brown color, so you have to rub something before baking. So you can always rub anything. So that is why I'm rubbing mine with butter. So now it's time to bake for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes of baking, so here is the bread. The bread is ready. So I still have some leftover butter, and now I will use it to rub the body of the bread. This will make the bread to have a shiny color. Just take a good look at this, guys. Just take a good look.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is